Hello everyone, my name is Gurmit Singh. Can AI replace software engineers? It's the question every developer is nervously googling in 2026. AI can now write real working code, so is the job doomed? Let's look at the honest answer, backed by actual data, not hype. First, let's be honest, the fear is real. In 2026, the fintech company block cut around 4,000 jobs, with its founders citing AI-enabled smaller teams. AI agents like Claude Code can now read an entire code base and open full pull requests on their own. And about half the public believes AI will mean fewer software jobs. So no, this worry is not crazy. And the truth is, AI is genuinely impressive. It writes code fast, boilerplate, functions, whole features in seconds. It finds and fixes bugs across big code bases. It can turn a simple prompt into a working prototype, what people now call vibe coding. And it handles the routine work, the tests, the docs, the repetitive tasks that used to eat our day. McKinsey says it lifts developer productivity by 20 to 45% on routine coding. But here's the key, coding is only one slice of the job. AI struggles with system design, weighing the real trade-offs in cost, security, and scale. It struggles to turn vague business needs into clear spec. It can't truly innovate. It mostly remixes its training data. And critically, it can't be accountable. Some human has to own what actually ships. Think of software work as a sandwich with 3 layers. Decide, understand the needs, design the system. Choose the trade-offs, execute, write the actual code, and deliver, test, review, secure, and own what ships to production. AI compresses the middle layer, the execute part, but the two human ends, judgment and accountability, are exactly where the real value lives. Now here's the surprising twist. There's an economic idea called the Jevons Paradox. When something gets cheaper to make, we don't make less of it, we make far more. Cheaper code means more software, which means more engineers, not fewer. And the data backs this up. US software job postings are up around 11% year on year. The Bureau of Labor Statistics projects almost 18% growth by 2033. And entirely new AI roles are up 74%. So the role is shifting, not vanishing. Yesterday, engineers wrote every line by hand and spent hours on boilerplate and syntax. Today and tomorrow, they direct AI agents, they design systems and architecture, they review AI written code for safety, and they spend more time solving real customer problems. The job is changing. That does not mean it's going away. So how do you stay ahead? 4 things. 1. Master the AI tools. Become the best in the room at directing them. 2. Go deep on fundamentals, system design and CS basics matter more now, not less. 3. On quality and review. Learn to spot flaws fast and write bulletproof tests. And 4. Focus on solving real problems, the what and the why, not just the how. So here's my honest verdict. AI won't replace software engineers, but engineers who use AI will replace those who don't. AI handles the coding, human on the design and the judgment, and more software ultimately means more jobs, not fewer. Now I want to hear from you. Do you agree or disagree? Drop your take in the comments, subscribe for more AI videos, and I'll see you in the next one.